We're looking for thimbleberries along here. It's one thing we found. There's all kinds of different berries along the side of the road. Kind of like a raspberry, but they got a different texture to them. Interesting. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Tigner Adventures. Man, we are moving along. We are still on Vancouver Island in a little town called Cooms. So I think it's like Cooms. Anyway, we're going to go on a little bike ride today with our friends.
It's a nice, cool day.
Yeah. The high today is only supposed to be
warm.
the high's supposed to be 68. So we'll see. The low this morning was 52. So anyway, yeah, it felt really good. It's really cool. It's supposed to actually be raining, but there hasn't been any rain here for quite a while. So I'm not. It's raining up there somewhere, but there's a little bubble around the island here, I think. So it's pretty dry. We are off and on our way. These are some friends that we met in Yuma, and we are here visiting them. We had a really nice dinner last night at our place, and a lot of fun, and they want to kind of show us around a little bit. To Englishman River Falls. Anytime falls is in a word, then Ninette's always interested, so this should be a fun day. Look at that cool barn. Well, I'm starting to feel a couple raindrops, so maybe we'll get some rain. It is a really pretty day for riding a bike though. Nice and cool. Look at that, a tiger lily farm. Getting a little bit of rain. Englishman River Falls Park. This is a provincial park. What do you think of Englishman River Falls? Pretty cool.
Wow, it's pretty.
A little bit of a bike ride to get here, but if you don't want to
Yeah.
ride your bike, you can always just drive your car.
Wait, what?
Or you can, or you
Now we have to go
reserve a spot in the
home.
campground and come up here and stay, you know, in your RV. That'd be a lot of fun too. You got to get in there early though, because well, especially weekends fill up fast, but weekdays aren't quite as bad. But this is a pretty cool place, and we've seen some pretty nice things. We've had a lot of fun with our friends. And
Julia and George.
Julia and George. And they've been great hosts and explaining things around here, so it's been a lot of fun.
Yep. It's nice.
Definitely a
Even
place
there's
to
a little
come.
rain. It was okay.
Yeah, it
Got our
rained just a
rain
little bit,
jackets.
but that's right. Don't let that stop you from getting out and exploring, having fun. So, well, we're going to just go ahead and close our video out here, and thanks for watching. And we'll just plan on seeing you guys down the road somewhere, and if not, then maybe on our next video. So take care.
Bye.